Forex trading, or foreign exchange trading, is the process of buying and selling currencies in the global currency market. It's one of the largest and most liquid financial markets worldwide, making it attractive for beginners looking to venture into trading. Here are some essential tips for beginners. 1. Learn the basics. Start by understanding key concepts like currency pairs, exchange rates, and how the Forex market operates. 2. Choose a reputable broker. Select a trustworthy Forex broker with a user-friendly trading platform, competitive spreads, and good customer support. 3. Risk management. Develop a risk management strategy to protect your capital. This includes setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. 4. Start with a demo account. Most brokers offer demo accounts where you can practice trading with virtual money. It's a great way to gain experience without risking real funds. 5. Educate yourself. Continuously educate yourself about market analysis methods, such as technical and fundamental analysis, to make informed trading decisions. 6. Start small. Begin with a small investment that you can afford to lose. Forex trading carries significant risk, and it's important not to over-leverage your account. 7. Keep emotions in check. Emotional decisions often lead to losses. Stick to your trading plan and avoid impulsive actions. 8. Stay informed. Stay updated on global events and economic news, as these can significantly impact currency prices. 9. Practice patience. Success in Forex trading takes time. Be patient and avoid chasing quick profits. 10. Keep records. Maintain a trading journal to track your trades, analyze your performance, and identify areas for improvement. Remember that Forex trading is not a guaranteed way to make money. It requires discipline, continuous learning, and a cautious approach. With dedication and the right mindset, beginners can gradually build their skills and potentially find success in the Forex market.